Hi, I'm Dr. Alexandrina Vanke. In this video abstract, I will tell you about my article, Multi-Sided Ethnography, Developing Avant-Garde Methodology for Creative Research into Everyday Life, which was published in Sociological Research Online journal. When researchers decide to use multi-sided ethnography, they usually select several sites, more than one, 2 or 3, and they travel between them and build conjunctions and connections between these field sites. But this leads to two dilemmas. First, the dilemma of thick and thin, when one field site is researched thicker while another one thinner, and to the dilemma of breadth and depth, when one field site may be researched deeper compared to another one. I suggest avant-garde methodology which can solve these dilemmas. The avant-garde approach emerged in the beginning of the 20th century as an alternative genre, as something new, and according to my understanding, avant-garde methodology has the power of imagination and creativity. It has multisensory and affective dimensions. And it looks at the everyday through the lens of ordinary people. The fourth characteristic of avant-garde methodology is that it has alternative aesthetics. It means that it creates something new, something different from the mainstream, and it breaks stereotypes. How to use avant-garde methodology? I suggest using it by integrating drawing in research, graphic drawing. You can use drawing in interview. During the interview process, you can suggest to your research participant to draw something like society or the place where they live. The second option is to integrate drawing and observation. And in this case, researchers can make sketches, quick sketches with a pencil or quick sketches with watercolor, and they can sketch landscapes and people. This kind of multi-sided ethnography brings multisensory data, and you will need to build a particular analytical strategy, which I call research assemblage, to assemble these different data of different forms, formats, and textures, which can connect theory and everyday life. At the final stage, you will need to write with this multisensory data, and I suggest to use creative writing and creative dissemination. In academia, we usually present our research outputs in the form of a journal article, which is a strict genre, but you can integrate creativity in it. For example, you can include drawings. The second option is to present your research in the book. And in this case, you will need to tell a story, so you will employ storytelling. You can include photos, drawings, and sketches. And one of the options include theoretical sketches, which you can create to visualize connections between the concepts which you develop, enhance, and use. And finally, you can disseminate your research with the help of video abstracts, so what I'm currently presenting. And you can make this video abstract with the help of your cell phone, a photo camera, or your laptop, and then upload it to the video streaming platform. If you'd like to know more about multi-sided ethnography and avant-garde methodology, I invite you to read my article and read some related articles where you can learn about specific examples of how to integrate drawing and interviewing. And my book, The Urban Life of Workers in Post-Soviet Russia, contains theoretical sketches, photographs, drawings by research participants, and my own sketches. This book builds on the avant-garde tradition of documentary writing and ethnographic writing, so you can see more examples of how you can use creativity in storytelling.